Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. We hope you've had a happy new year and a restful holiday. As this is our first video of 2022, we wanted to kick off the new year by asking a fairly fundamental question. Why do we need insurance? Insurance is often one of those things you dread having to deal with. Let's face it, talking to an insurance company, taking out a policy, it's often a major hassle, a headache that most of us could do without. But there are times when insurance is simply unavoidable. Whether you're being required to take out a policy by the government, the bank, or even your employer, you'll most likely have to deal with insurance at some point. Why is this? Why do we need insurance? What function or purpose does it fill? To answer these questions, it may be helpful for us to think about the definition of insurance, which in Hong Kong is as follows. An equitable exchange of risk from one party to another in return for an agreed upon fee. This is a fairly broad definition and obviously includes a wide range of scope when it comes to risk. But it then follows that there are many different types of risks that can be exchanged under the mechanism of insurance, as long as the exchange is both equitable and a fee is paid. To simplify this even further, insurance exists to protect you or your assets against the possibility of something bad happening. If it is a risk, something bad, there is a very strong chance that an insurance underwriter somewhere in the world will be able to cover it. From celebrities who have insured their body parts through to kidnap and ransom insurance and more mundane coverage like home contents insurance, there is literally an endless list of things that you can insure. In all these cases, policyholders have taken out insurance to protect against the possibility of something bad occurring. Should the bad thing or risk occur, then the policyholder will be compensated or otherwise taken care of via their insurance policy. This could be considered a massive oversimplification of the idea of insurance, but the core principle still holds. Insurance is a mechanism by which you are able to recover a loss or avoid it completely. In many cases, it's up to you as to whether you wish to purchase insurance and protect yourself against a risk and subsequent loss. In other cases, the insurance is required, both for you and the interests of society at large. A very simple answer to the question of why do I need insurance may be because risk exists. Sometimes you'll encounter a private business requiring you to purchase insurance. Many mortgage companies, for example, require mortgage holders to take out life insurance. But on the whole, you are free to choose as little or as much coverage as you see fit. Many people choose to purchase insurance as their life changes. Obtaining home contents insurance when they purchase an engagement ring is a great example of this. There was no need to hold that type of coverage previously, but now there is. However, waiting until the last minute to obtain the right form of protection can also be risky. When it comes to a product like health insurance, the longer you wait, the higher chance you have to deal with issues like pre-existing medical conditions and waiting periods, both of which could severely restrict your ability to fully utilize your policy. There are many options for you to protect yourself with insurance. Not all of these options will be needed in your specific situation, but some of them may prove vital. That's us for this week. We hope you have a happy and healthy 2022. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And remember to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.